I understand you just finished the advanced training program at Symbol Training. I want to know, how did it work out for you?
So it worked out great. It's a fun learning experience and let me understand more on advanced programming, the lathe and mills. I'm currently working, operating, and learning how to program the dual spindle Mortex, which is very fun. I do very tight tolerances, which that has helped me a lot also with the class. It's fun and you just keep on learning, this never stops.
You just recently finished the advanced training program over here at Symbol. How does it help you in your career?
Well, it gave me a better understanding of how CNC programs work. I'm able to edit programs on my own. I feel more comfortable with reading the programs, understanding what they're going to do. So it's very helpful program. So if anybody started out with the first program that they offer here, this one is going to definitely help you get to the next level.